everybody, and welcome to the McCall's Kitchen. My name is Elisha, and I'm here today to take you guys through our wonderful Father's Day collection that McCall's has just launched. And we're going to be making a Father's Day cake together. I've got loads of supplies in front of me here, and we're going to take you through everything and then show you how we create our cake. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you do subscribe below to see lots of fun content coming. And you can check out my handle as well at Fiorella Bake Shop. We're going to have some fun. Let's get started. If you are getting ready for Father's Day, which is just a little bit away, there's so many supplies that you can shop at McCall's. They've come up with a brand new collection of sprinkles, and they're such fun colors. This one does remind me of a superhero since dads are superheroes. We've got some cookie cutters, some Father's Day toppers, and there's also some chocolate molds as well as baking cups. So if you guys are getting ready, this is the perfect place to get started with your Father's Day baking. So I have in front of me here these piping bags that have been prepped with McCall's buttercream that I colored blue. So we did 3 different shades, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful ombre effect on your cake using these colors and piping bags. You can also use a spatula and just a bowl of icing, but I find that you get such a nice controlled seamless ombre look when you work with piping bags, and then we'll be decorating it with some sprinkles after. So you're going to start with your lightest color at the bottom, and then we're going to work up to our darkest color. So I've already got a hole cut at the bottom of my piping bag, and we're just going to start by going around our cake like that. This into the fridge to chill for a couple minutes, and then we'll go in and we'll decorate it. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up my station. I've got a piping bag prepped here with an open star tip. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a nice rope border going all the way around the cake, and then we're going to sprinkle it up with some of the McCall's Father's Day collection sprinkles. Now I'm going to actually go in and decorate with some sprinkles. I really like these ones right here. I feel like they go well with the cake. We've also got the green mix here and then plain blue, but I like the pop of red, so I'm going to put some in the center here. Okay, so we're just going to do a sprinkle border. I'm going to put some sprinkles at the bottom here. You'll get a little messy at this part, but we're going to use our spatula after to tap it in. So after getting the sprinkles on here, you can go in and add a cute little Happy Father's Day topper. They come in blue and also a white and gold. So I'm just going to go and add right here. And there we go. Let's get this all cleaned up, and then we can take a good look at this cake. We hope you guys enjoyed watching us create this beautiful ombre cake for Father's Day today using all the McCall's buttercream, color, and sprinkles. Their new Father's Day collection is available in stores for you to shop. And if you guys do try this at home, make sure to tag us at McCall's and myself at Fiorella Bake Shop. We want to see all your wonderful creations. We've got some more Father's Day content coming, so make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.